Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Winch, noun and verb, winched, winching, wincher. A mechanical device for lifting or hauling, often consisting of a horizontal, rotating drum turned by a crank or motor. The act of using such a device to raise or lower something. Rare. A crank or handle used for manual rotation. Winch, noun. A machine for hoisting or hauling, featuring a cable or rope wound around a rotating drum. The crew used a powerful winch to raise the sunken treasure from the ocean floor. After his jeep got stuck in the mud, he attached a cable to the winch on the front of his vehicle to pull himself free. The sailboat's anchor was too heavy to lift by hand, so the captain operated the electric winch. Winch, verb, to hoist or haul using a winch. The rescue team had to winch the injured hiker up the steep cliff face to safety. It took over an hour to winch the damaged car onto the flatbed tow truck. The construction workers will winch the steel beam into its precise position on the framework. Key tips for test takers, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, GMAT, usage and importance. Winch is a highly specific noun and verb related to mechanical lifting and pulling. It may appear in reading comprehension passages, for example, about engineering, sailing, or rescue operations, or as a distractor in antonym-synonym questions. Likely question formats. Sentence completion. The word might appear in a sentence where the context involves mechanics, construction, or maritime activities. You may need to infer its meaning from the surrounding text. Example: the heavy crates were blank onto the ship's deck using a motorized drum. A correct answer could be winched. Analogies. Winch is to hoist, as crane is to lift. A winch is a tool for hoisting, as a crane is a tool for lifting. Cable is to winch, as thread is to spool. A cable is wound on a winch, as thread is wound on a spool. Common confusables. Winch versus wench. A wench is an archaic term for a young woman or a female servant and has no relation to mechanical devices. On a test, wench would almost certainly be a distractor for winch. Winch versus wind. While wind can mean to twist or coil, a winch is the specific mechanical device that performs that action. Winch versus crane. A crane is a broader category of lifting equipment, often with a boom or arm. A winch is the component that handles the cable. A crane typically incorporates a winch.